is Star of Manila. Now being loaded, all set now, ready for racing. Race number 1. Good luck to all of you. Racing just is started. We have a Storm break weekly at the start. Moving a party outside. Aloha, Madam Leonora. Deadly Storm. Ingay, Ingay. Fabiola comes next while a Star of Manila is the early trailer by about 6 lengths of the leader. We have Madam Leonora by about 3/4 of a length lead. Storm in second. Moving a party outside. Now is Aloha. Deadly Storm comes next. Ingay, Ingay. Moving a party outside. Star of Manila. In the middle portion comes Fabiola. We have Aloha. Now takes command by about half length. Madam Leonora in second. Then here comes Ingay, Ingay. Now moving up to take third. And on the outside comes Star of Manila. Storm comes next. Then followed by Deadly Storm, while Fabiola is still racing in 7th. Then at the fourth turn, we have Aloha by about 3/4 of a length lead. Then here comes Ingay, Ingay. Moving up for the outside. Madam Leonora is racing in third. Star of Manila, Deadly Storm, Fabiola and Storm, and Diana entering the home stretch. We have Aloha by a length. Ingay, Ingay. Moving up for the outside to take the lead. Down on the inside now is Deadly Storm, Madam Leonora. Last 100 meters, we have Ingay, Ingay by about 2 lengths, followed by Deadly Storm, and finally the program opener, Ingay, Ingay. Second is Deadly Storm, close between Madam Leonora and Aloha.
13462.
Right. Ingay-ingay din. Crossing the wire first, then Deadly Storm. Forecast natin, combination 1,